Pluto at night. Datum 2019-1020. The night side of Pluto spans this shadowy scene. A stunning space-based view with the Sun 4.9 billion kilometers, almost 4.5 light-hours, behind the dim and distant world. It was captured by far-flung New Horizons in July of 2015. The spacecraft was at a range of some 21,000 kilometers from Pluto. A. NGC 1977, Blue Reflection Nebula in Orion. Datum 20010722. The Orion Nebula is visible to the unaided eye as a fuzzy patch near the famous belt of 3 stars. In the Orion. The above picture captures a part of the Orion Nebula that primarily reflects light from bright Orion stars. This reflection nebula appears blue because the blue light from the Nebo Leonids above Torre de la Guaita. Datum 2001-126. Last year, the 1999 Leonids meteor shower came to a tremendous crescendo. Observers in Europe observed a sharp peak in the number of meteors visible around 0210 UTC during the early morning hours of November 18. Meteor counts then exceeded 1,000 per hour, the minimum needed to define a true meteor. Open star cluster M38. Datum 20030107. Open cluster M38 can be seen with binoculars toward the constellation of Auriga. M38 is considered an intermediately rich open cluster of stars, each of which is about 200 million years old, located in the disk of our Milky Way galaxy. M38 is still young enough to house many bright blue stars. Alt. Moonrise eclipse. Datum 20180202. This atmospheric picture of a distant horizon looks toward the tall Tresol peaks of India's snowy Himalayan mountains. Taken from a remote location on January 31. Bright star Procyon shines at the upper right. The red moon rising is gliding through Earth's shadow during the evening's much anticipate Helios helium. Datum 19980516. This image of the relatively quiet Sun was made using ultraviolet light emitted by ionized helium atoms in the solar chromosphere. Helium was first discovered in the Sun in 1868. Its name fittingly derived from the Greek word helios, meaning sun. Credit for the discovery goes to astronomer Jose